Hello, my name is Miss Veronica Belvedere, and unfortunately this year we did not have the chance to have a back to school night and to let you guys have a opportunity to really get to know me as a teacher. I'm a social studies teacher. This is my second year teaching. I graduated from KU a couple years ago. My family is from Argentina, so if you ever need any help with translations in Spanish or anything like that, I am more than welcome, or I'm more than happy to actually type or talk to you in Spanish if you need that. I teach modern world history and geography this year, which is super exciting because those are honestly my two favorite social studies topics to talk about. Yeah, a little bit about me. So my family's from Argentina. I was raised here though, so culture is a little bit different back at home, but raised in Kansas, so I do know the area pretty well. I love to run, I love to teach, I love history so much. I am actually happy to say that I am engaged to be married next year, and so this is my last year as Miss Belvedere, and so I have the opportunity to be able to travel hopefully next summer if the virus kind of blows over. I'm honestly so excited to get to know your students this year, and hopefully when we go hybrid now, I will be able to really get to know them better than just through a screen. So if you have any questions at all, I check my email almost regularly all the time. I have it on my phone. I have it on my computer. I will always respond within a 24-hour notice. If you ever need to talk on the phone for whatever communication needs, please let me know, and I'm more than happy to schedule a conference over the phone, or if we want to do a Zoom conference, I can do that as well, okay? I love talking to your students every day with class discussion and getting to know them a little bit better through the assignments and through the things that we're doing in class. Thanks. Bye.